Good morning, sir, madam. My name is Rita Basira Mayred. Live in Barangay Bagakay, Pototan, Iloilo. I am 41 years old, married with two sons, ages 13 and 11 years old. I am a high school graduate and I work as a domestic helper in United Arab Emirates last 2003 to 2005. But before I work as a domestic helper, I have worked as a sales girl for almost 10 years. After I went back from United Arab Emirates, I also worked as a babysitter for almost 4 years. Since
How old is the baby you're caring?
as a newly born child till 4 years old.
Okay. At present, what are you doing? What is your work?
At present, I spend my time in my family.
So you mean to say that you're the one who is attending your children, your family, no? All the needs of the family and all the household chores.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but anytime you can leave them.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You mentioned that you've been working in UAE. Where in UAE?
I work in Sharjah, United Arab Emirates.
Sharjah, okay.
Yes.
For 2 years, no? 2 years
Yes.
contract you finished. How many person are you serving?
I'm serving 2 olds and a newborn baby.
What do you mean 2 old? How old?
My employer,
I mean 2 adults, your
2
mom,
adults.
sir, and then how many kids they have?
the one kid, sir.
Only 1 child.
One
How old is the child when you start working?
Only 1.5 months till 2 years old.
Okay. And how many house helper inside the house?
I'm only one helper.
Okay, so aside from carrying the baby, you are also doing all the household chores.
Yes, ma'am.
So-
I know how to cook. I know also how to wash clothes and do ironing.
Okay. So this time, if ever, by the way, how old are your children?
My children are 13 and 11 years old.
So when you left, for Sharjah, how old are they?
They are only 2.5 and 5.
Okay, and that time who took care of them?
My husband.
Your husband. So this time still your husband.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
how long are you planning to be away from your family or to work in Hong Kong this time? Your plan?
Tell I plan to work in Hong Kong till my 2 sons finish their studies.
So you mean even longer, let's say after the 2 years contract, if given an opportunity to extend, you are willing.
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing to work longer.
So what can you promise to the employer if ever they will hire you?
I promise to my employer if ever they hire me, I'll be patient, humble, and responsible, and I'm willing to do all the responsibilities they are going to give me.
So you must be obedient, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Good luck to you.
Thank you, ma'am.